What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Siblings RC channel. I'm here with Francesca. We got a new shipment in, and she's gonna open it. That's a safe way to open
it. Hey, no judging here.
Let's just slit somebody's throat really quick.
Okay. It's open.
Alright.
Why do you even put this? It's like not even filled with air.
Yeah, there's literally no air in it.
Just the back. So we got this one from Atlanta Hobbies.
First of all, how long did we wait for this?
Okay, you guys, it totally sucks. So when did we order it?
It was like almost 2 months ago.
Yeah, probably like back in like April, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Because he was ordering it like as a birthday present for me for like, because my birthday is in May. And then like all of a sudden they were like, it's in back order. But like when we like purchased it, like it never like it was like any notification that was in back order. But we literally just barely got it like this week.
Yep.
So
like
2 months later we got it. But Traxxas has been like super behind with all their orders and had like a whole container. Oh, it looks like if they give you a $5 off coupon for your next $25 purchase.
Ooh.
Nice.
That's nice. Sorry for the delay.
Boom.
What kind of car is it?
It's the Slash 4x4 VXL, so it has a brushless motor. So that's exciting. So at the bot, we have the control. Okay. It's a TQI top qualifier. That's what it looks like.
It's just your like standard transmitter.
So I guess with this one you can buy like the linked enabled thing, right?
Mm-hmm. The link module.
Yeah, the link module, and then you just attach it, and then you can control it with your phone.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool.
Should we get that in the future? I think that'd be cool.
Perhaps.
Okay.
Okay, the moment you guys have been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. I actually first saw this truck at Friendly Hobbies in Las Vegas. Shout out to them. They're super awesome.
Oh, yeah.
And I fell in love with it because it's just so pretty and it's just like such a good fast car that I was like, it's a must.
It's faster than my Losi Baja race, so...
So yeah, it's definitely going to be beating him in races.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see if I can control it.
Yeah, and that's where I win.
Hey. But yeah, you guys look at that.
Ooh, so pretty. Show them the suspension.
Okay.
Like just do like, hold it like 3 inches off the table and then drop it. Yeah.
Solid. But look how nice that's it. It's so just nice.
They're always so nice out of the box. Ooh, look how pretty it is.
So shiny.
Mm-hmm. Nice and brand new, nice and clean. We're probably definitely going to get a different body for it, right?
Oh yeah, especially with my driving skills.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's super
That's the
cool.
rear.
It's really nice looking.
I love the black and white theme. It's so cool.
Let's see. Let's look inside.
Okay, got it. Cool. Alrighty, what do we got in here?
We have the body.
Well, this is the chassis. That's the body.
That's the body.
It looks like we have our VXL 3S system in there. The brushless system, as Francesca pointed out before. Let's see. It just comes with like a standard servo, so we'll probably upgrade that in the future because I know the stock steering on these cars aren't the greatest. But we'll see how it lasts. But you got your standard Traxxas shocks on here. Ooh, that's nice. And that's basically it. It's the high center gravity chassis, but I could probably get the low center gravity chassis. It's like $60-$70 for the whole conversion.
So what's the difference between the center?
So like the center of gravity stuff.
Yeah.
So the high center of gravity helps with like keeping the chassis high off the ground for like off-roading type of stuff. And it kind of gives you that more like monster truck style. And then with low center of gravity, the chassis is a lot like lower to the ground here. It's more for like when you're like racing and like keeping the truck like from tipping over and like, you know what I mean? It like slides more than rolls. So this is like the center of gravity is a lot higher, so you have a higher chance of rolling it. But it's not too much of a big deal. I've never had a high center of gravity truck, so we'll kind of see how it performs. But we can always get that low center of gravity conversion kit in the future if you want.
Sweet. Yeah, let's see what else is in the box. Because they always come with some fun things.
What we got here? So it looks like they come with your standard little magazine slip thingies. They're just like little ads for like chargers and batteries that they would recommend buying. It's just one-sided. That's the live charger that you can connect to your phone and stuff. It's a little overpriced for what kind of a charger it is, but I mean, everybody has their own opinion. This is how you use the transmitter and stuff, but we don't really need that. And then this is just your simple manual, or this one is. We'll keep these on the side just in case if we need to perform any type of electronic maintenance on them.
Then it also comes with this stuff. What is this?
So these are called shock spacers. So what they do is you can put them here so you can make the shocks or the springs a little bit stiffer. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, but, and then, what are those? Let's see.
They kind of look like spacers, maybe?
Those are extra, like, oh, these little those are body washers. So you know how the body was kind of like it kind of shake and stuff? So you can put those on so the body's more stiff on the body.
So it comes with extra pins for the body. Because, you guys know, always lose them.
When you
can
crash
never
them,
have
you
too
can
many.
lose them. Yeah.
Then some more spacers.
And it comes with some shock pistons as well. Just in case if you break those, which is nice.
Your little baggie of tools.
Ooh, convenient.
Kind of fun.
We already got tools, so.
I know.
But I mean, it's always
like
nice
when
to
the
keep
like IKEA furniture comes with those like little tools, but they suck.
Yeah.
Oh, and then it comes with. It's just like a gear.
Yeah. So this is the high speed gear for like those high speed runs. I don't know how many teeth is on this one, but it's for if you want to go for the 60 miles an hour. But then you'll need a 3S battery for that. But we only have 2S batteries right now. So.
Oh, and you can
it's a warranty.
For a warranty.
Oh,
nice.
So if your electronics fail, like if your servo goes out within, I think it's like the first 30 days or something like that. I can't remember what it is. Then they send you a brand new one, which is really nice. But.
And we got more stickers.
Ooh.
Little number stickers.
Racing number stickers.
I'm probably gonna put 81.
Yeah.
That's my favorite number.
Does that number 1 sticker on it? Does that come off?
No.
It doesn't?
I was thinking of putting it here.
Yeah,
81.
you could.
Should we do it right now?
If you want.
Okay.
Or should we open this up first? Because we got our other package as well.
Okay, yes. Okay, we had this other package too. I'm not 100% sure what it is because Ethan kind of just bought it.
Yeah.
But it's from Hobbytown.
Yeah, watch this. It's like a super expensive like electronic system to replace the stock one.
It's not.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure it's not. Is it?
I don't know. Open it up.
I'm trying. Ooh, the bubble wrap. This is the best part.
That's what she loves, popping. She loves popping the bubble wrap.
Okay, so.
Haha, just kidding. It's not. What is it though?
It is a single spare tire carrier for the Traxxas. I really wanted this so I can put a tire in the back. I think it would just make it look like more like legit.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Kind of like the Losi Baja Ray, how it has that single tire on the back. I don't really like the way it's mounted, but I know there's a few different ways you can mount them on there, but Yeah, it looks like it's just a single spare tire carrier for the Slash 2-wheel drive and 4x4. Wheels and tires not included. Rip. But that's okay.
It.
Oh, well that's awkward. It only fits the RPM rear bumpers. So I'll have to get a different rear bumper before we install this. But that's okay. We'll just drive this first and see how it goes.
Okay, I'll put the stickers on.
Okay.